Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to selectively pixelate any image in Photopea. It's really simple and easy. So the easiest way to do it is this: to press Ctrl or Command J to duplicate your original layer. And now we are going to right click on this duplicated layer and convert it to a smart object. Now go to the filter menu at the top, go to pixelate and choose mosaic, which is second from the bottom. Now it's going to affect the entire image to start off with, but we will fix that in a second. So change the cell size until the pixelation obscures any recognizable feature, something like that. Now it's affecting the entire image. So we will click on the smart filters layer mask, which is right here. Press Ctrl or Command I to invert that layer mask, and now the effect is not being applied anywhere. So now press B to access our brush tool. Make sure the foreground color is white, and now we can easily selectively paint the pixelation mosaic layer wherever we need it. And that's pretty much it. So that's how to selectively pixelate any image in Photopea. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.